The need to develop commercial acumen is stronger than ever in present times. Employees today are required to make decisions quickly, often under extreme pressure and without mistakes. At Kaplan, we curate strategies to help you develop the knowledge and expertise of your workforce in your chosen direction. Kaplan brings to you one such engaging concept in the form of the Kaplan Business Challenge. The challenge will help your workforce in building knowledge of a wide array of skills that are key to the success of your business and introduce employees to a deeper understanding of what each department does in an organization, allowing them to establish a more holistic approach at the workplace. The Kaplan Business Challenge enables participants to take part in a real-time business game utilizing an online dashboard. The challenge involves the coming together of employees from various backgrounds to work as the senior leadership team of a failing company to turn it into a success story in a pressurized and controlled environment. They compete in auctions to win contracts based on smart pricing strategies. The challenge sees them assess the profits and losses over a span of 2 years as they work on various activities such as procurement, sales, and wealth creation. The simulation creates a perfect learning environment for participants to create innovative solutions and achieve commercial success through a series of strategic and commercial decisions. To discover how it can deliver a genuine and tangible impact on your business, contact us today and see this unique and memorable training experience for yourself.